on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in the 350Z, driving through town once again. The love on my last video where I did this was unbelievable. It's got like 30,000 views in like 2 weeks. You guys are awesome. So we're back in the Z, we're driving around. It's pretty busy out. Not the busiest. I'd say it's about 3:30 on a Tuesday. I think we drove around on a Tuesday last week as well. Got a FedEx truck in front of us, but not anymore. Things just got a lot better. But we cannot go fast through here. This is a school zone, you guys. Look at it, we got kids. Oh man, they're definitely not gonna like us with the GoPro on our face. They're gonna think we're causing a bunch of problems. So let's just drive by. Just gonna cut through this neighborhood real quick. Man, there's so many people out right now because all of the schools just got out. Everyone's picking up their kids. I'm going. Oh yeah. If you guys watched my last video, I bought a brand new jack from Harbor Freight. About halfway through that video, I actually talked about the carbon fiber interior, or the carbon fiber dashboard we bought for this car. I did actually put it in. I did install it, and Steve actually was here. He filmed it with me. We tried to put it in, and the double-sided tape that they added with the carbon is just not strong enough to hold it on. So I've been looking for double-sided tape that's thin enough to go on here, that's gonna hold it on in these hot summer days, you know, in Southern California. It gets pretty hot on this dashboard. So I think I did find double-sided tape that's going to be strong enough to leave it on here. I think it would look really cool if this was carbon fiber during these POV videos, so we'll just have to do that, you know, one of these days. We're actually headed over to Shogun, which is like this Japanese food restaurant right now. Today's actually my birthday. I turned 25 years old today, unbelievably. I cannot believe I'm 25. I seriously feel like I graduated high school. Literally, this was the high school I went to. I feel like I graduated from here seriously 5 minutes ago, you guys, and I'm telling you, 18 to 25, it goes by so fast, and I can't imagine that 25 to 30, you know, goes by any slower. So live every day like it's your last, you guys. Seriously, I don't even know how else to express it. We're behind a dump truck though, so, you know, take it how you will. Oh, he's getting over. He's getting over. So I did want to mention while it's on my mind, we're going to be changing the transmission fluid here literally in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button because it's a really simple change and we're going to knock it out as simple as possible so you guys can replicate it at home. The transmission fluid and the differential fluid are two of the most important fluids you can change, and they often go overlooked. So the fluid I ended up going with is actually going to be Redline MTL and Redline MT90. It's a 50-50 blend of both of those. I had to buy them separately. I'm going to blend them myself and then put them in the transmission. And I've read a whole bunch of forums and a whole bunch of people comment about how this is the best mixture for this transmission. I'll be testing it for you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, my transmission, it doesn't want to go into gear as smooth as you'd like it to. I mean, it's smooth, like it doesn't fight you at all, you know, but first is a little tough and fourth is a little tough. So we're gonna change the fluid out. Hopefully it, you know, pulls out whatever, you know, gunky stuff is building up, and we'll be good. Oh man, traffic. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but right here my tire pressure light is blinking at me. Let's see if we go to the tire pressure menu here. There we go. Both my rear sensors and my, I think it's driver side rear sensor on top. I actually don't know the difference of driver side, passenger side. If you know, let us know in the comments. I think my driver side one is out, and it's saying we have 31 PSI in the passenger side. I can't tell you if that's accurate. I haven't checked the PSI. It's weird. They're all dash marks usually. Oh man, it's so bumpy. I know the stabilization on the GoPro is amazing, but my lowering springs in here are so stiff that, I mean, every single bump on the road, I almost bounce off the seat. Every light, like you can't even, they don't even want you to drive through this town. They want you to just look around, enjoy the moments, you know, say hey to your neighbor. I missed it! You guys, that's why we gotta change the fluid. We're missing shifts. Yo, we almost lost to the Prius. Oh, should we race the vet? Think he wants the sauce? Oh, he doesn't want the sauce. He's out of here. He's gone. Later. Man, that shift, honestly, does it ever lock you guys out a second like that? I mean, serious? I get locked out a second all the time when I'm flooring it. That's the worst part. I'm hoping once I change the fluid, that'll be solved, or at least a little better. It's so weird. All right, here we are. We made it back to the traffic. When I was younger, I used to think someone sat inside of all these metal poles and changed the lights manually. Should we go car spotting? All right, let's do it. All right, let's see what we got, you guys. Let's see what we got. Okay. Co-working connection. Can't park in front of the Apple store. Nothing like, no like sports cars or Japanese cars or anything. Maybe in the parking garage? Oh yeah. She sounds pretty good. Oh gosh, Coke bottle. So I'm not gonna lie, like the muffler delete sounds great. It's got a nice clean sound to it, surprisingly, but it's just not like... Man, you see what I'm talking about, you guys? We can't even drive. We almost caught air on flat ground right there. Try and floor it one more time. You guys, that scraping sound, it sounds terrible, but on the inside of my fender liner, there's one screw that barely rubs against the tire, and that's what we're hearing. Like, it sounds like I'm just ripping the side skirt off, but I promise you, it just barely rubs, and it sounds terrible, but it's not. I'll even show you the tire. It's completely fine. Yes! I'm backing it in right here, y'all. All right. Oh, it's doing donuts. Oh gosh, you guys. Jesus. All right, there we have it. Probably should leave before the cops come, you know, because that would be kind of absurd. Dang. What's up? So I couldn't hear you. Nah. Holy crap. All right. No way. They're gonna start swinging it. You guys, I don't know if they're gonna swing it or not, but I had to run over just in case, you know? Oh, God. Yeah, oh my God. That was awesome. Oh. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, I'm out. The cops are definitely arriving. You guys, I didn't even, there's some birthday donuts, which is pretty cool. Geez, this thing just pops, man. Just disregard the burnouts. Oh my God. Jeez. Here we are. It looks good. What's up? Oh, thank you, bro. I like the Beamer. Dang, bro.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it happened. Dang, man, dang. We were rolling out of here like we have 8 mufflers. We don't even, this is an electric car. The power of the muffler delete right there. When you want it quiet, it can be quiet. Oh my gosh, that was intense. We dodged a bullet. He asked if we wanted to go swing it, and I just, absolutely not, bro. Like, I'm sorry, I'm probably pretty lame, but I don't need that happening to us, and honestly, it just makes the car community look terrible. Like, random bystanders, they definitely hate that stuff. So, I mean, we think it's cool. We want that stuff, but most people are like thinking about their safety, so, you know. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.